Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. The topic of today's video is essay on celebration of 75 years of India's independence. Let's start. First of all, we will see the headings of this essay. The headings are Introduction, History of Independence Day, Celebration of 75 years of independence, Importance of Independence Day, and Conclusion. In the beginning of our essay, we will write few lines in honor of our nation. The lines are rich in cultural history, united in the diversity, a salute to my independent country, a salute to its modernity. These lines will leave a great impression on the reader. Let's start our introduction. Introduction. One of the most memorable days in Indian history is 15th August. On this day in 1947, we Indians got freedom from the 200 years of British rule. Independence Day is like the birthday of our country. It is a national festival and celebrated by the whole nation. After independence, India became the largest democracy in the world. This year, on 15th August 2021, our country India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day. History of Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India became independent. We won freedom from British power after a hard and long struggle. On this day, at the stroke of midnight, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, unfurled the national flag at the Red Fort for the first time. It marked the end of the 200 years old British reign in India. We now breathe air in a free and sovereign nation. Celebration of 75 years of independence. The celebration to celebrate the 75th anniversary of India's independence has begun on March 12 with the inauguration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav by Honorable Prime Minister by flagging off a 241-mile march from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad to Dandi, Gujarat. Celebrating 75 years of India's independence is reflecting the spirit of the country's freedom movement and trying to show its achievements to the world since 1947. Public participation is the base of the grand celebration. Through this festival, people are being made aware of the sacrifices made by the brave heroes of the freedom movement. Importance of Independence Day. Before independence, the condition of Indians was very pathetic as they were under the rule of Britishers. For decades, Indians suffered a lot under the British rule. Indians were treated as slaves, but there were people who stood and raised their voice against Britishers and sacrificed their lives to set India free. This is the reason Independence Day means a lot to Indians. Year after year, it reminds us of our great freedom fighters who sacrificed and struggled their lives in order to free our motherland from the British rule. A wind of patriotism and national integration blows across the country on this day. Our next heading is Conclusion, a day worth celebrating for which our ancestors have shed their blood and have struggled a lot. But are we truly justifying the struggle and hard work of our freedom fighters? We should rethink it and should work towards actual freedom of the people of the country by helping them and making them self-dependent and capable enough to support not even themselves but also the country. On 75th Independence Day, we should dream of India which is strong and powerful and have the capability to face any problems with unity. So friends, in this way you can write this essay. If this video is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Best of luck and thanks for watching.